The Lead Creative Schools program's really benefited our school. It's given us the opportunity to enable our children to have authentic learning experiences, working with creative professionals actually coming in. But not only working with the children, they've also been able to work with our teachers and give our teachers more skills and more self-efficacy in their belief of what they can do, especially when working creatively with the children, and not just in an expressive arts inquiry, but also being able to bring that creativity into other areas of the curriculum. Taking risks in this context, I would say, is quite a broad experience, because the children, we're always wanting them to take risks. We always want them to try new things. I think as a teacher, sometimes we can be a little bit reserved in taking those risks ourselves, but being enabled by the Arts Council of Wales and encouraged to take risks, whether or not that enables failure or not, we're being told that's a good thing, because without those opportunities to take the risks in a safe space, then you can never try new things. You can never really experience new ideas, new learning, new routes and adventures with the children, and also as a teacher. Working on the Lead Creative Schools project and also being part of the Creative Leadership programme over the past couple of years has really given us a push to start our creative journey in our school. I think before this we were always being creative, as creative as we could. We were advocates for the arts, but this has now specifically given us training that is specific to the needs of our children, the needs of our staff. It's given us more tools and more strategies that we can use across our curriculum to embed creative learning in everything that we do. Working with the creative agents has been an amazing experience. Fortunately, I've been able to work with 2 different agents over the past 2 years, and they have both brought a completely different skill set with them. They've brought ideas, they've brought imagination, they've brought challenge for me, which has been brilliant, because we sometimes like to play things a little bit safe, but when you've got somebody who is constantly challenging you, saying, no, try this, try that, what's the worst that can happen? It really does give you that push to think, no, I'm going to try it. I'm going to give things a go. What is the worst that can happen?